to your 5-minute brand makeover. I'm Tracy, and today I'm going to show you how to refresh your brand quickly and easily. All right, so let's dive into it. So right now we are on Coolors.co, where you can get your color palette, and from here we're going to go straight to start the generator. As you see, you have a list of color palettes to choose from. All you need to do is hit the space bar and it goes to different colors, right? Just hit it until something catches your eye. All right. And if you find something, let me put this what is that? I just want to hide it. No, it's not going to let me hide it. All right. So that's what you get with free, right? So you can either remove your colors, you can check the contrast, use shades, save the color, you can drag, as you can see that. You can copy and you can lock in your colors. So let me go ahead and see you. All right, so I like that one. That's a Prussian blue. Right now, I'm just going to lock that in. Hit the space bar, see what other colors I can find. I like the carmine here. I like this color. So I'm going to lock that in. And when you're finding your colors, make sure you find about 3 to 5 colors, one being your primary, and having some neutral colors along with some accent colors, right? So right now, this one and this one is like, this is my primary color and this is my accent color. And now I'm just going to find one for the neutral, either be, let me see, maybe white, and I might be able to get it out of here. No, I think that's the lightest. So I'm going to change white. So let me come back out of here. And this is ghost white. So I like that. I'm going to lock that in. And I don't need any of these. So I'm going to hit the X and hit that. And right now it's red, white, and blue. And I just want one other color. So I'm going to add that. And all right, let's see. All right, I like that color, so we're going to go with that one. Once I get everything together in the order and the pattern that I wanted, I'm good. And then if you just want a specific color, you can just click on it and copy it and paste where you're going to be designing, usually like Canva or something, right? So that's how you can do it. Once you get your color palette together, you can export it. You can download it to an image, put your title here, and export it into your image. And that's all you need, and that's the first step. And we're halfway there, guys. We're halfway there. All right, so now you want to go over to Google Fonts. Here you can create, you can find your Google, and I'm sorry, not your Google. You can create your or find your font that you want to use for your logo, for your brand kit, right? And same as the color codes, the color palette, you want to make sure you get only 2 or 3 fonts, something that is clear and clean and distinctive, right? Something that is readable. You don't want crazy fonts so people can't read it. You want to make sure people can read it, and find something that's trending. So right now we are in the trending area right now. If you want to sort by most popular, newest name, you can do that, right? But I'm going to stick to the trending one. And what's already popped up is the Roboto. Roboto is pretty trending and it's clear and it's clean. All you need to do is click on that. Once you are done and you chose the ones that you want, all you need to do is hit get font. Let's make sure it comes up so you can see what it looks like. And you'll have like various styles. And if you like that, hit get font and then downloads right into your file. Right, I'll show you get font. This comes up. I have 2, so I did this earlier, but if you don't want that, you can just delete it and get the font that you chose and download it. And there it is. Step 2. Boom. We almost there. So now we're going to go over to Canva. As you can see, I created a logo, right? Using everything that I got from Google Fonts and Coolors, right? So how I created this was we're going to come out of this and go right into your brand kit. So I'm going to click that. Keep in mind this is if you have the pro plan, but it helps, right? Now right up here where it says brand kit, you want to go ahead and click on that. And now you want to hit add new. You want to put your name and your logo in there. Right now mine will be test. So that picture that you downloaded, you want to go ahead and add it here. Okay, so you want to make sure you get all the colors. So you go to these 3 dots here and hit extract color palette. And that will actually come up here. So as you can see, it pulled every one of those colors that you downloaded from Coolors, right? And then you want to add your fonts. You can add it here just by hitting add new, upload your fonts, and it will be down here. So when you're ready to load your font, it will already be in here. I'll show you real quick what I did before. Anything that has been uploaded, it will be in here. It will say upload. I believe this one recently used this one in here, but you hit upload font. You can do it from where I showed you or from this area. Since I already uploaded a font, I won't upload another one, but just showing you that you can just click on. Okay, now you can just open that up into your file. I'll show you that real quick. And there, now here it is, right? And you can do that with your any subtitles, headings, it's up to you. It's not necessary, but it's good to have and know what type of font you're working with. So once you're good with that, just hit save and you are almost done, right? You don't have a logo yet, but now we're going to go over and create that logo, right? So we're going to go into the home. We're going to go to home. When you go into search, you put in logo to get a blank canvas. All right, so as you can see, I did this one. I'll show you what I did. Using the color palette that I created and the fonts. So what I did was I went over into my elements, and of course you can use the templates that they provide you just by going to the design section and adding in logos, and you'll see the various templates that they offer you so you can use and change up for your own logo if you do not want to use it from scratch. But I'm going to be doing it from scratch. So I'm going to go into my elements and I want a specific circle, and I'll show you what I did. I can either hit this one or just put in circle. And I decided to use the graphics, so I hit see all and I found my circle right here. It is under the pro plan, but you can see you can use various circles under the free plan as well. Okay, so now I have that, and if I want to change the color to one of my palettes, I just want to make sure that my brand kit is highlighted, which it is. The one I'm going to use is highlighted and selected already, right? So now I want to say change that to red, and I also now want to go ahead and add my text, and my fonts that I chose came right up. So I want to hit main. That's what I added as my title. I'll put my logo title, and I want to have it all caps. And then let me shrink it down a little bit, just a little bit. Then I want to go into the effects mode, and how I have that curve on the above. I can do that just by hitting that curve right here in the effects. and I want to duplicate that and take and and change the curve to take it upwards and move that down. Now I want to go ahead and change. All right, so sneaker shop. Now I'm just about done, right? And I didn't need this one, but if I decided to use that font, I can. Not that way. But I can just by either doing it from here or just duplicating it, putting thin, and then rewriting the words. So just going to leave it there. Then I'm going back to the elements and looking for a simple icon that reflects the type of shop that I want. So I just want some red sneakers. There it is. It's centered and in the middle. And that's it. That is my logo, right? I know this above was in black, but just wanted to change it up and show you that you can use your brand colors on your logo. And just keep in mind when you use your logo and your brand colors, make sure they are on all of your marketing materials. It is on your social media, that you're using your colors across the board. All right, so I hope that was helpful, that you have it, your 5-minute brand makeover. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And until next time, deuces and peace.